Well, I haven't uploaded for a bit, but I certainly went collection shopping, probably a little too often. And I have a lot of new awesome stuff to share with you guys today, so let's get started. Alright, so first up we have this Spectre Alert Classic. I finally got one. However, this is no ordinary Spectre Alert Classic. If we go ahead and take it off the plate and look on the back, it is a 120 volt Spectre Alert Classic. So sadly that means I can't use it with my system in the garage and stuff. However, I will try to find some sort of use for this. So I'm very excited to have one of these. I've never really heard of the 120 volt one, so I'm pretty excited about that. For the next device, we have this Brooks Equipment T-Bar. It's one of these generic T-Bars that you see from time to time. However, this one happens to be rebranded by Brooks Equipment. Not sure if this is a Bay Area company or what exactly this is, but I will do some Googling and find out for you. Anyway, one of these T-Bars, I have a Potter one already, so now I have another one, which is pretty cool. We'll go ahead and set that with the Spectre Alert. For the next thing, I told you guys last system test that I found one of these Bell strobe plates, and I used it in the system. What I didn't tell you is that I actually found 3 more of those. So I have this one right here, the second one, and the third one right here. And then counting the one that I used in the last system test, I have a total of 4 of these Bell strobe plates, which is pretty exciting. I think this is, besides the Wheelock AS's, this is the most of any single device that I've had, which is pretty interesting. And because I had quite a few strobe plates, I wanted to go out and find a couple bells for them. So I ended up finding this bell at an antique shop. It's 18 volts, some sort of Wheelock situation possibly, I don't know. Vintage, obviously. However, it is non-functional, sadly. So not sure what I'm going to do with this. I think it's just going to sit on the shelf for the time being. But it looks cool. We have this neat little device. And the last thing I found is this device that I don't have a use for yet, but hope to find a use for at some point in time. We have this LCD40 fire alarm annunciator. This is an annunciator you see on a lot of addressable systems nowadays. I don't even know if this is functional or not, but I did find it and decided to grab it. We have on the back, you can see all the labels and stuff. And then you have all your terminals, and it still has the plastic over the screen, so this makes me think that this is a new device, which is pretty cool. Alright, well that's all the new stuff we have today. I'm so excited to start using this in some way on my channel, and with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed, and like the video, leave comments, and of course, subscribe to the channel.